Hello, and welcome to question 14 of section 1a in Linear Algebra done right. Okay, so we want to show that 1 times x equals x. So that's the multiplicative identity. So 1 must be the multiplicative identity element. And this works for all x in Fn. So that n indicates that we're dealing with x's that are vectors or n tuples. So let's just rewrite the left-hand side out as an n-tuple, and then use the multiplication by a scalar property, which is defined. And then we use vector multiplication by a scalar. And this one's simply scalar multiplication, because these two are scalars for every single element. And we know that that equals x1, x2, all the way to xn, which is x. And very simple proof.